1 lakh to 65 lakhs. Why the most dismissed land near Mumbai is the best long-term bet in Maharashtra. Regoland's founder Mihir bought land in Karjat 5 or 6 years ago, 15 lakh rupees an acre. His father had bought in the same district back in the 1990s for 1 lakh an acre. Today we're selling plots at 65 lakhs an acre. Same hills, same river, same district. 65x from where the first purchase was made. And we're going to make the case today that we are nowhere near done. This is the Karjat episode, and it's the market where Regoland has spent the most time on the ground. We want to share what that ground truth actually looks like. Let us give you the actual numbers because nobody else will. 1990s, rupees 1 lakh per acre. Agricultural land, difficult access, no infrastructure, leopards in the hills, buying on instinct and patience. Between 2019 to 2020, 12 to 18 lakh rupees an acre, depending on location, access and water. Buying on a thesis, the infrastructure announcements were starting, an MIA on the table, Panvel Karjat rail being discussed, Atal Setu years away but directionally clear. 2024 to 2025, rupees 50 to 80 lakh per acre for well-located, accessible, clean title land. The infrastructure is no longer speculative. It is under construction or partially operational. That is 65x from the 1990s. A 4 to 5x return in 5 or 6 years for the people who bought when Mihir did. The question every investor should be asking is where it goes from here. Here's the thing most people get fundamentally backwards about Karjat. They see the distance from Mumbai, 60 to 80 kilometers, and hour and a half or 2 hours by road today, and they treat it as a problem, a liability, the reason to buy Alibag instead. We see it as the product. Alibag feels close because the Atal Setu and the Ro-Ro ferry have pulled it psychologically towards the city. That proximity is exactly what has priced it the way it has. You're paying for closeness. The closeness is already in the land price. Karjat is further. The infrastructure is still coming, and that extra 45 minutes of travel time that made people hesitate today, that is where your extra 20% IRR lives. When the Panvel Karjat rail opens, it's 80% complete. That hesitation compresses. When the Pagode Khalapur connector finishes, the South Mumbai to Karjat journey changes fundamentally. Every kilometer of infrastructure built between Mumbai and Karjat is a kilometer of discount that disappears from the land price. But beyond the infrastructure argument, there's something Karjat offers that simply does not exist closer to the city. You can own 40 acres with a running through it and see nothing but hills and forest in every direction. That scale, that wildness, that privacy, it doesn't exist within 40 kilometers of Mumbai. The land doesn't exist. The landscape doesn't exist. Karjat's distance is not what's holding it back. It is what preserved everything worth owning. We're not going to list every announcement. We're going to tell you which ones are actually happening. Panvel Karjat rail corridor, which is 80% complete. This is a primary residence trigger. For the first time, a significant portion of Mumbai's working population will have a viable daily commute from Karjat. Navi Mumbai International Airport. It's already operational. 40 to 45 minutes from Karjat once the connecting road network matures. That completely changes the calculations for buyers flying in from anywhere. Pagode elevated connector through Khalapur. Under construction. When complete, the psychological distance between South Bombay to Karjat compresses in a way that will surprise people who drive it for the first time. Karjat-Shirur highway via Bhima Shankar. It's real and moving. It connects Karjat to Pune through a mountain corridor running through one of the 12 Jyotirlingas. The 288 crore rupee Bhima Shankar development plan, ropeway, access roads, full tourism infrastructure is being built alongside. A new tourism economy is forming around this corridor and it needs land. Let us be direct because honesty here is more useful than a sales pitch. Karjat is right for patient capital. If you're buying today, you should be thinking 7 to 15 years, not 2 to 3. The infrastructure timelines are real, but they are too long. The returns at the end of that horizon will be exceptional, but you have to let the thesis play out without rushing it. Karjat is right for the buyers who understand what they are buying. Title, Satbara, water, access rights. The buyers who get hurt here are almost always the ones who skipped the diligence. At Brego Land, the parcels we bring to market in Karjat go through full title verification and ground level checks before anything else. Because in this market, genuinely clean land is harder to find than it looks on a map. Karjat is wrong for people who want to flip it in 18 months, who expect Alibag level amenities right now, or who are buying without doing proper due diligence. This market rewards holders and it punishes shortcuts. So here's our honest conviction about Karjat. The land near Mumbai that appreciates most over the next 20 years is not the land that is already expensive. It is the land that is still cheap because it is slightly too far, slightly too early, slightly too undeveloped. That land is Karjat today. Mihir's father bought at rupees 1 lakh. Mihir bought at 15 lakhs. We're selling at 65 lakhs. The person who buys at 65 lakhs today will look back in 15 years the way we look back at 15 lakhs right now. The extra 45 minutes of travel is not a cost. It is a premium you are being paid to be early. It is the distance between what the land costs today and what it will cost when everyone finally agrees that Karjat was obvious. Everything great about Karjat was always going to be obvious eventually. The question is whether you buy before or after everyone else figures it out. If you want to look at verified, clean title land in Karjat, that's what Brego Land works on. Check out our link in the description and get in touch with us. This is Lay of the Land. Stay tuned as we decode everything there is to know about land.